So this one is the Cmeha 8M. It's one of the, famous camera from Russia and USSR lah. It was known to be USSR. Okay, it's a very cheap built camera, I would say. Okay, but the function of this camera, I would say, is quite nice, because you can change the shutter speed and everything over here, and this one you can change the f-stops of the camera as well, right over here lah. So this one is f4, f5.6, f8, f11, f16, and so on. So it's a very good camera if you want to start shooting manual, and yeah, definitely can start with this one. Why do I say that it's a cheap build? You see, it doesn't even have a like a winding thing over here. Just use this adapter thingy, and it's made of plastic, I would say. This is the film counter. So yeah, let's go ahead and insert the film. I'm going to teach you how to use this camera first. Oh, by the way, show the shutter if the shutter is opening as well. Okay, the shutter opens. This one I put it as bulk mode lah, so you can check it out right here. Okay, so the shutter opens as well. Okay, so now I'm just going to test the camera. I wouldn't say that this camera is very cheap lah, but the build quality is really not that outstanding. But for its price and also at the time, it's really a good camera, I would say. Okay, so roll a bit first and then just close the cap. Okay, this one is set it as 36. No, set it as 0 first. Okay, put it as 0 right here, like this, and then you start to shoot. So I put it down, and then you can change your shutter speed right here. Shutter speed right here. This one is 1/250. Press it. Okay, it's done. Once again, and then you can do double exposure as well. Okay. Okay. You can see that the film counter, it goes up as well. See right here. Yeah, forget to do this. Okay, it's like one of those 120s camera like the HAHAH. It's a very nice camera that one, but this one except for the plastic build, other than that, I think everything is just good. This one is f5.6. So this one you roll first and then push it down, pop. Okay, f8. You can't really see it in the video, I think, but in real life you can actually see there's a ring inside over here. See it changing. It's changing. Hopefully you can see it. But yeah, and then this one you can change the distance also right here. So this one is the macro 1.2 meter, portrait 1.5, 2 meter, 2.5, 3, 4, 8 meter, and then there's infinity. So usually we just put it as this one right here, 3.5 to 5, 3.5, 3 to 4 over here. So yeah, okay, and then just gonna shoot. Okay, so basically that's how I use it. And this one you can change the shutter speed as well, 1 or 125. Listen to the shutter sound carefully, you can hear a different one actually. Okay, and then we have the 1/30. See, you can actually hear a difference there. 1/15. Nah. So yeah, basically that's it. And this one is the bulb mode. Okay, so as long as you press the shutter, it opens up for the bulb mode. Okay, yeah, so basically that's it, and you can see that the film counter, it changes as well. Yeah, so to rewind the film camera, you can, this thing, you push this up and then just roll it like this. Where's the button? Hold on. I think there should be a rewind button. Let me look for it. I'm not sure where is it because yeah. Is it this one? I'm not sure. Oh, I figured out. So to rewind this film camera, you have to make sure that you shoot this one, put it down first, then press the shutter together with the rewind, and then you can just kind of do your rewind right here like this. It's kind of complicated, but not really lah. Okay, so you have to be extra careful as well. So pressing the shutter and also rewinding the film like this. This is actually also my first time seeing this camera actually. Okay, after you feel that it's lost already, you can easily move it, then you can just go ahead and take it out. Right, that's it. Thank you.